Il-Partit Nazzjonalista huwa kommess li n-negozji Maltin mhux biss ikunu mejjuna biex jikbru huma imma jkunu huma li jkabbru l-ekonomija ta' Malta.
Business that creates wealth and government that creates poverty.
Iddikjara dan il-Kap tal-Partit Nazzjonalista Adrian Delia meta indirizza seduta speċjali tal-Parlament organizzata mill-Kamra tal-Kummerċ li kellha l-iskop li n-negozjanti lokali ikollhom l-opportunità li jiddialogaw mal-membri parlamentari u jgħaddu l-opinjonijiet tagħhom.
We not only want to have a wealthier Malta, a richer Malta, a more successful Malta, but a better Malta. A Malta where we can earn more, but live better, where we can produce more, innovate more, but have the surrounding environment which is befitting of somebody who is doing well.
Adrian Delia joffra l-għajnuna tal-oppożizzjoni lill-Gvern biex pajjiżna jerġa' mill-ġdid jikseb l-aqwa reputazzjoni bl-iskomp li n-negozji Maltin jiffjorixxu.
Some years back described Malta as being a center of excellence and a reputation backing that. And today we have to go out there, sell our jurisdiction, but have to first fight waves of uncertainty, questioning and reputation. We can do this together.
Fil-ftuħ tas-seduta l-President tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ Frank Farrugia ddikjara li din il-laqgħa se ssaħħaħ id-dialogu bejn il-partijiet konċernati. Laqgħa li matula diversi kelliema esprimew tħassib dwar kif sitwazzjonijiet preżenti f'Malta qed jaffettwaw lin-negozji Maltin. Fost dawn Reginald Fava mill-Assoċjazzjoni ta' min iħaddem li appella l miżuri ċari quddiem id-diffikultajiet li qed jaffaċċja min iħaddem.
One side of this growth has brought with it increasing wage inflation and cost of living. This has given rise to, among other things, an extraordinary rate of growth in rental costs, which poses a great challenge to us employers and to the economy.
Sam Borg, membru tal-Kumitat tan-Negozji tal-Familja fih dan il-Kamra tal-Kummerċ, innota li pajjiżna qed ibati f'dak li għandu x'jaqsam mal-produttività.
Our productivity is stagnating. This is in part due to social measures that affect our competitiveness. It is no secret that a happy employee is a loyal and productive employee. However, we must strike a balance between employee satisfaction and business performance.
Patrick Kakija, membru tal-Kunsillu, chairman tal-Grupp Ekonomiku tal-Manifattura, fakkar li kif jiġdu l-istatistiċi l-industrija tal-manifattura lokali qed bati.
Our manufacturing industry is facing a number of challenges. Not least, one of the most important is the lack of employees in terms of quantities and quality. This, as we know, is an issue which is being faced across the whole economic spectrum.
Matthew Brinkat, membru tal-Kumitat ta' Riżorsi Umani fih dan il-Kamra tal-Kummerċ, għalli minkejja tkabbir tal-ekonomija għadna nsofru minn nuqqas ta' parteċipazzjoni tan-nisa fid-dinja tax-xogħol u persuni b'nuqqas ta' ħiliet meħtieġa.
Malta still has the largest gender employment gap in the European Union.
Kevin Borg, direttur ġenerali tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ, tkellem dwar il-bżonn tal-kompetittività biex in-negozji lokali jkomplu jkabru l-operat tagħhom. Filwaqt li Andrew Bini, kap eżekuttiv tal-HSBC, mill-ġdid reġa' wissa li s-settur bankarju qed isofri bir-reputazzjoni ħażina li ksibna fl-aħħar snin.
A particular challenge we must collectively address that I have spoken of is the reputational damage suffered by the financial services sector where internationally accepted compliance standards have not been met.
Kien hemm ukoll intervent minn Nicolas Xwiereb, membru tal-Kunsill tal-Kamra tal-Kummerċ, illi wissa dwar żidiet fil-prezzijiet li jaffaċċjaw in-negozji lokali.
Energy costs, increased labour and transport costs, lack of skilled workers and changes to the taxation framework pose significant threats to Malta's attractiveness to manufacturing foreign direct investors and local operators. Manufacturing in particular needs assistance in the longer term.
Simon De Cesare, President tal-Malta Business Bureau, appella l-enfasi fuq turizmu ta' kwalità imma fuq kollox pjan f'diversi setturi.
Quality should prevail over quantity, with the focus shifting from overcrowded and littered beaches and tourist areas to a more upscale and niche tourism, which would reduce the pressure on the local communities.
Matul is-seduta tkellmu wkoll numru ta' membri parlamentari fosthom Karl Guder, Edwin Vassallo, Martes Portelli u Kristi De Bono.